Good morning. Still in Lubbock, getting ready to hit the road, but I think I'm gonna go down and find some breakfast. Norman, Oklahoma is where I'm headed today. And should be a good ride. I'm going through Wichita Falls. And that's pretty much it. I guess I just had some coffee. They've got this little coffee maker right here on the counter. So that's pretty good. But anyway, breakfast and then hitting the road. Good. Just got done doing 150 miles. I think it's another 100 miles to Wichita Falls. Put about 3 gallons gas in. So I'm averaging, I think, right around 42 miles per gallon. I don't know if that's good. But I'm happy with it. I'm in Wichita Falls, Texas, and I stopped here at the Red River Harley Davidson just to cool off. It's 94 degrees right now. And up front here, they've got one of those old school Road King bikes. I guess it's the Heritage? Not the Heritage. What am I trying to say? It's part of their Icons collection. It's got the matching sidecar. Kind of cool, in case you're interested. Sidecar is 16 grand. I'm heading over into Oklahoma, going up towards Oklahoma City. I'm going to stop just short of that in Norman. And that's where I'm gonna be staying tonight. So I got about 2 hours to go. No, more than that, 2.5 maybe. And it's heating up. So I gotta get going before it gets any hotter. I guess it's 1:30, but maybe it won't get hotter. Maybe it'll just start to cool down. I don't know. Anyway, I gotta get going. So, I'll catch you at the next stop, I guess. I'm just south of Oklahoma City, and in a little town called Chickasha, Oklahoma. And behind me there's a brewery that I'm going to stop at. It's a Canadian brew company or something. But just down the street from the brewery is this. I have no idea why it's here. However, we're gonna go check it out. Maybe this will answer your questions. I guess the writer of the Christmas story was born here in Chickasha, which is why they have that. But anyway, it's time to get a beer. Good morning. It is Friday, September 1st. This is day 4 of my motorcycle trip. I'm getting ready to leave the hotel here. And might stop at the Harley dealership over here. They open an hour from now. I haven't made that decision yet. Just a lot of indecisions this morning. But I just went on and checked on the bike. It's still there, so that's good. And I got everything packed up. You can see it over there on the bed. Construction crews are at it bright and early this morning. And it's a little breezy out there. You couldn't really tell by these trees out front. It seemed super windy. So hopefully that's not going to be a day of windy riding. Anyway, I'm gonna get going, I guess. It is lunchtime. I'm at this place called Dutch Pantry. I don't even know what town it is. I'm starving. It's in Oklahoma somewhere. Well, I made it to Springfield, and I met up with my buddy, and we made it to the Hilton, what is it? Hilton View? I think that's what it's called. I already hit my shin on the bed frame, so I suspect that's gonna happen again. But it's clean and it's new, so can't complain. But I got a shower, and then we're gonna go hit a couple breweries and That might be it.
I don't know if it's because I got all my stuffs here. Yours, you don't have anything there, do you?
No. Yeah, you have your ignition deal right there. Morning, day 5 for me. Day 1.5 for Keith, who I met up with yesterday here in Springfield. We're getting ready to go get some fuel. Then we're gonna hit the road. We're going to Cape Girardeau, which is on the Mississippi, still in Missouri. About 4 to 5 hour drive, depending on which route we take. So it should be fun. We gotta stop for fuel, and I see that there's a come and go right over there. So we're gonna go get gas at the come and go. This way. All right, see you in a bit. Okay. Look at that. Well, as you can see, we made it to Cape Girardeau. And this has become one of my favorite stops because there's a nice courtyard, which I believe used to be an old bank, and a couple breweries just right down the street. And there's a new restaurant next door called Top of the Mark, and it's a rooftop restaurant, and it looked pretty good, so I think we're going to try and get some food from there later. And it's right on the Mississippi. It's really a neat little town, I guess. But all right, anyway. Whew. That was a good ride. Today was amazing. You saw that in the videos, maybe. I don't know how much I captured. I couldn't take my hands off the wheel because there were so many twists and turns. But that's what we all live for on the bike, right? But anyway, time to shower and get ready. Good morning. I'm all packed and getting ready to go. Sorry, the lighting is bad in this room. I'm just wrapping up a few more things, my toiletries and whatnot, and gathering all my stuff. We're going to Chattanooga today. I think Keith is going to be leading this segment, so I'm not sure which way we're going, but I'm going to leave that up to him, I think. But anyway, it's 8:50. We're meeting at 9 by the bike, so I got to get going. We'll see you on the road. All right, we're just taking a little break at a gas station, 5-star gas station. And they got some puppies over there. So I think I'm gonna walk over there and take a look.
You gonna just put one on the bike?
Yeah, if they're for sale, I'll just buy a cage to put on the top.
Hey, you get you a sidecar and he could ride there.
I pretty much think that would mean vacation over. We are stopped at just outside Nashville, and we're going to Hardee's because I haven't eaten all day and I'm starving, so we're kind of stuck. We went to some barbecue place that they're closed today. It's Sunday, so this is it. This is what we're getting. So I'm not gonna eat a lot because we'll probably get a good dinner in Chattanooga, which we're a couple hours, and there's a time zone change, so I think it's like 3 hours when we arrive, something like that. Right?
That's right.
A little bit of good news. Keith found a barbecue spot 2 minutes down the road.
We're back.
We're saved. So we're getting on the bike instead of going to Hardee's and getting some barbecue. Low Wits Barbecue. And they're open. Let's eat. All right, we made it. Chattanooga. We're at our Airbnb. There's a unit around the corner there. Looks like there's some sort of a restaurant over there. And I've been here a few times, so I know exactly what we're gonna do.